three foods diabetics should never eat. Are you still eating this? Join me, guys, up until end. Ethel Allera here. Let's go! Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ethel Allera. If you or someone you loved is managing diabetes, today's video is a must watch. We often think fruits are always healthy, and they are, but some fruits can actually spike your blood sugar more than you think. In this video, we'll reveal the three common fruits diabetics should avoid, especially if you're watching your glucose levels. So stay tuned because you might be eating these every day without realizing the risks.
Here are three common fruits diabetics should avoid. The first common fruit to avoid for diabetics? Banana.
Bananas are rich in potassium, fiber, and natural sugars. But for diabetics, the concern lies in their high carbohydrates. A medium banana has about 27 grams of carbs, with a glycemic index or GI of 51. That's moderate, but can cause a rapid rise in blood sugar, especially if eaten ripe or in large amounts. Tip: if you really love bananas, choose a smaller, greener one and pair it with protein like peanut butter to slow down the sugar absorption. So, while bananas are packed with nutrients, diabetics need to be mindful of portion sizes and ripeness. Before we move to the next fruit, let me know in the comments if you're been including this in your diet. And don't worry, I'll also share better alternatives before we end the video. Now, let's go to the next one.
The second common fruit to avoid for diabetics? Grapes.
They tap to fruit, grapes. Grapes are bite-sized and sweet, but don't let their size fool you. They are high in natural sugar, fructose, and have a glycemic index of 53, which can quickly raise blood glucose, especially when eaten in large handfuls. Unlike some other fruits, grapes don't have a lot of fiber to slow down sugar absorption. The problem is it's so easy to overeat grapes. A cup can have more sugar than you think.
The third common fruit to avoid for diabetics? Cherries.
The top three common food to avoid for diabetics: cherries. Cherries may look small and harmless, but they are surprisingly sugar dense for their size. One cup of sweet cherries contains about 18 grams of sugar. They have a moderate GI of minus 63, and although they contain antioxidants, their sugar can cause a spike, especially for people with uncontrolled blood sugar. They may be tasty and packed with antioxidants, but for diabetics, portion control is key. Or it's best to skip sweet cherries altogether. And there you have it. The three fruits that might seem healthy but can cause blood sugar spikes if you have diabetes. Remember, it's not about cutting out all fruits, but about making smarter choices. Comment below which of these have you been eating regularly. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more health tips that really matter. Thanks for watching and take care of your health every day. A banana is an elongated edible fruit that grows in clusters on large herbaceous plants. Botanically, it's classified as a berry. Bananas are known for their soft, sweet flesh enclosed in a peel that is typically yellow when ripe, but can also be green, red, or purple, depending on the variety. They are a good source of potassium, carbohydrates, and other nutrients. Grapes are the fruit of the vine, belonging to the genus Vitis. They are typically small, round, and grow in clusters. Grapes can be eaten fresh, dried into raisins, or used to make wine, juice, and other products. They come in a variety of colors, including green, purple, red, and black. A cherry is a fruit that grows on a tree or bush belonging to the genus Prunus. It's a fleshy, round drupe or stone fruit with a single seed. Cherries are typically red, but can also be black, yellow, or other colors depending on the variety. The term cherry also refers to the tree itself and its wood. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep flowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.